Hi guys, welcome to Poland. Greetings from my parents' garden. It's so beautiful, it's an amazing day. It's September, but still looks like proper summer. So I mean, rainy day in England, you can watch a little bit of sunshine at home. So we're ready to start our yoga right now, like a holiday style. Okay, get yourself ready. If you're watching first time my channel, please subscribe and turn on notifications, and we're ready to start right now. In stand-up position, lift your arms really high. Slowly exhale, relax your shoulders. Inhale and slowly exhale. A few more. And reaching really high to stretch your arms, lengthen your spine. Slowly exhale. Now left arm to your right. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Deep breath in, slowly out. Maybe 2 more times. Great. It looks really simple, but it's a great stretching for your spine to have good condition in your lower back. And now, right arm to your left. Inhale and slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 2 more. Make sure that your right arm straight. Really feel the stretching in your right side. And relax now your arms. Reaching high, slowly relax. Inhale, slowly exhale. A few more. Lift and relax. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now let's roll your shoulders, really open your chest. Excellent. Good breaths. Really feel nice stretch front of your body, shoulders, chest, your arms. And 1 more. And forward. So now it's all about your upper back, your shoulders. Perfect. Maybe 2 more. Excellent. Now relax even wider. So hands on the hips, and now just bend forward. Just remember, as always, if you're watching first time, legs straight. You got spine nice and long. You can stay in the same position. I'm just showing you from the other angle. So spine needs to be nice and long. With your spine, lower back area, nice and straight. To feel stretch back of your legs, glutes, and your hamstrings. Inhale, slowly exhale, perfect. Could be even here, as long as you're feeling stretch in your legs. So maybe that's your position. If someone is more flexible, maybe you're going lower. As long as you're feeling stretch mostly back of your legs, okay? And you can just rock front and back. As you're rocking forward, you can feel deeper stretch in your legs. Inhale and exhale. Perfect. Wash your head. So you've got neck in line with your spine. Just looking down. Good. Feel the stretch in your legs. Maybe 2 more. Inhale and exhale. Just 1 more time. Inhale and exhale. And slowly go up. Okay, now in the down dog position, let's march in the spot. Again, lengthen your spine, bend your knees. Really feel stretching your legs. And now, very slowly, maybe just a few inches or all the way to plank. Slowly exhale, down dog. Inhale and slowly exhale. Maybe 2 more. Inhale and exhale. One more time. And relax. Okay, now on your knees, squeezing glutes, and lift your chest, push your hips forward, arms up. Inhale, slowly exhale. Really work with your glutes to push your hips forward, but lengthen your spine, just really high. Inhale, slowly exhale. Maybe two more. One more time. Inhale, slowly exhale. Hold it. Hands on your lower back. Can be lower in your sacrum area. Just make sure not leaning back. You need to push forward. Hips to the front, chest really high. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. Perfect. And slowly to down dog again to stretch your legs and your lower back. Okay, now on your 4 toes, spine ahead. Slowly exhale, really work with your pelvis to stretch your lower back. Inhale, slowly exhale. And again, inhale and exhale. Maybe two more. Inhale, slowly exhale. Last one. Perfect. Kneeling position. Use your hips width apart, arm to your side, and try to bend. Inhale, slowly exhale. Left shoulder relaxed. Inhale and exhale. Maybe two more. Pushing hips forward, squeezing glutes muscles. Perfect. Now left arm to your right. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Perfect. Last one. Okay. And to stand up. Feet together. Now balancing on your left leg. Lift. Can hold. Can try to cross your leg to your right. Position nice and upright. If your balance is strong, try opposite left hand on your left leg or your heel. Bring your right to your side and stretch your left, or just move to your left side. Find your position, find your own option for this pose. Inhale, slowly exhale and relax. Okay, now right leg, so that's option 1, still works. It's all about balancing on your one leg. If you find try to cross to your left, so you got left hand on your right foot or right hand on your right foot, and try lift or even move out to your right side. Good breaths. Inhale, slowly exhale and relax. Perfect. Get your legs wider. Right arm bend to your left. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Now left to your right again. Great stretching for your spine, for any stiff muscles in your lower back. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 2 more. Inhale and exhale. Slowly relax. Lift your arms. And slowly just relax. Okay, so thank you. Quick yoga. Holiday style, so I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. Leave the comments if you're on holiday or you're at home already. And yeah, if you forgot, please check subscription and notification bell. So thank you for now and see you next time. Bye guys.